Hi, I feel as though I'm on a bit of a roll now and starting to get to grips with the YouTube channel. I really enjoyed pulling together the last video covering 7 years of using Fujifilm JPEG recipes. It was quite nice to have a little look back through some really important years of my life so far, and also to see the progression and development of my photography. The number one question I've always been asked from followers of the blog, and now after sharing that video, is what Fujifilm recipes do you use? Well, now is the time to share my 3 favourite recipes with you right here: Chrome Urban, Summer Negative and Acros Punch. These are pretty much all I've used for travel photos, stuff on the streets and life generally. Chrome Urban was my go-to recipe on the X-T2 and the X100F, and now Summer Negative is my number 1 on the X-T5 and X100-6. I've shared these recipes previously on the blog, but hopefully resharing here will mean more people get to experience what I think are really cool recipes. Enjoy!